Welcome back to the mini-series about how to start a drone business part 2. In this video we're covering a question we get asked all the time, and that is, how do I get clients? Alright, so now that you have a website, social platforms, a bit of information on what you do, who you are, and how you can service your clients, you now need to get clients. This is where BD comes in, or business development. Now I won't lie, it's not easy, especially starting off. Picture it like riding a bike in a really low gear. It's painful, you will need a lot of energy up front, it's uncomfortable, and it's really hard to see the end. Then all of a sudden the work slowly starts to become lighter and smoother, and then you start gaining more ground, more momentum, and before you know it, you'll be flying along with minimal effort and be covering so much ground and at such speed. Business development involves various techniques and strategies such as cold calling and sending cold emails. Now this is definitely not for everyone, and if you're not good at these things, get someone to help you, or even better, just pay them for their time. Now the worst thing you can do is just sit there posting on Facebook showing how great your business is and how great your drone is, and not actually getting out of your seat and meeting people or making phone calls. It doesn't work like this. Now you can't just sit by your computer and wait for emails to come in. It's all about building relationships. At the start, you will get used to people saying no. Don't let that get to you. Just dust it off and keep going. Eventually, one will say yes, followed by 2, 3, and then you're on the way. Soon enough, you'll be cruising along, your effort will be less, and you will find people will be organically coming to you from referrals. Right now, you are the new kid on the block with a unique set of skills, but you need to tell everyone what you do and you need to get your business out there. So as I said in my other video, you can offer things for free, like property shoots or demonstrations or MVPs. We still do plenty of free demonstrations and work with the hope that it would lead to more work and contracts down the track. Once you do these, don't forget to add it to your portfolio and in your social posts. Now this will not only add to your SEO ranking and social presence, but then this will also give you something to show your next client. So your next client might go, oh wow, this company has done some work with blah 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 property group, or this solar company. Brilliant. They know what they're doing, let's give them a call. Now one thing I would stay away from is spending advertising dollars on things like perhaps AdWords or newspaper ads, billboards. Now in the short term, yeah, it might work. You might look great on a big billboard, but in terms of long-term sustainability and SEO ranking, getting organic traffic is way more valuable. So now you're getting clients, you need to know how much to charge. We will cover this question in our next video. Don't forget to check out our new drone courses available at dronemasterclassacademy.com. I'll see you guys in the next one.